Before you say something, yeah, I know I cut my hair. It's a little bit too short in my opinion, but Kik is the boss. Yeah, I had to cut my hair because the wife said I had it's too long and it doesn't look good. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna start this video by saying that in the last time I've received a lot of messages about my phone or my phones. Yeah, everyone was laughing because I still have an Blackberry, yeah. But you don't know that I have another some other old phones, yeah. And I'm using my Note 9 phone now. And we are going to change that today. Today we are going to buy a new phone because everybody is crazy about my phone, yeah. And I'm not sure if I told you already, I sold the E61, the 5 series, yeah. I hope this video will be after I'm gonna post the other one with the new project car. And I'm not sure if I already told you that we have another project car and I've sold the E61. Anyway, now you know. Yeah, let me show you what phone I have currently, and after that we are going to start the E90 after 2 months, yeah, or more than 2 months. The car wasn't driven at all. I started the car in this period just to move it right or left, something like that, but I never drove the car. So today we are driving the car in order to buy a brand new phone, yeah. And I'm using Android. I'm not an iOS type of guy, yeah, because yeah, I have my Android smartwatch connected with my Android phone, yeah. And like I said, currently I'm using Note 9. I still have a Nokia N9. I keep this phone because of the system, yeah, Migo. I used this phone for 1 year, I think, but now it's kind of dead because there is no support at all for this. There is no support at all for this phone. I find this system very interesting and very good. Yeah, I have this stuff in here just to keep the tray for the SIM, yeah, in here, because I've lost the cover for the charging port. That's why it's not broken or anything. The phone works like before, yeah. I have everything, the box and everything that came with the phone. Yeah, I still have the Blackberry. I keep this phone because I have the hub and I can see all the messages in here, because on my phone I have everything on silent, yeah. So I still I don't use this phone. This phone is at home, like I've said, for the hub, and I can go through all my messages and stuff, like emails and stuff like that. Okay, I have an S8 Plus. The phone is not here because Kiki is currently using this phone, and I'm using my Note 9 to record, yeah. So anyway, let's go start the E90 and buy a new phone. This is a cold start, yeah. We are going to drive the E90 for the first time after I think 2 months, yeah. I've moved the car in that time, but I never drove the car till today, yeah. So let's see how this goes, yeah. We have a nice sound from the sport exhaust, and we don't have any kind of errors on the dash. Everything works just like before, yeah. Let's see, let's go buy some gas, and we are going to buy a new phone today. And we are set for today, yeah. Now with a full tank we have some gas and we can drive some Autobahn today. Yeah, we are going to see a new phone, like I said. Now we have to wait till a boat is coming, because we have to drive on the other side of the Rhine. Yeah, and the boat is right in there. We have to wait, I think, a few minutes, 10 minutes, something like that, and we are going to drive over the water. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But this hour is nobody here and nobody there, because everybody is working at this time. Yeah, but anyway, the boat have to wait I think 15 minutes on each side. Yeah, and after that we are going to pass. Okay, check this out, it's coming. Yeah, it's coming slowly, but it's coming, and I'm pretty sure that I'm the only car on this side. Yeah, see that behind me is nothing, just a bicycle. It's gonna be interesting. Oh yeah, let me search for some change money, because we have to pay, I think, 2 or 3 euros, something like that. Not quite sure, because it's just my second time when I pass in here. If I don't want to pass in here, I have to drive ahead about 30 kilometers. There is a bridge, and after that I have to come back another 30 kilometers. Yeah, and that's why I've choose this route. Okay, so got my money. Yeah, and we are going to drive in. Oh, check this out, there is one car on the boat. I'm not quite sure how this one is called. Ferry boat, something like that. Just one car in here, and I'm gonna pass another car in there. Nice. We are on the boat, boys, on the ferry boat, I think. Yeah, and we have to cross on the other side. I just have to wait to pay, because, like I said, the ferry boat have to wait 15 minutes on each side, I think, and we are going to drive on the other side. Nice. Let's wait in the car, because it's really cold outside. Whoa, really cold. Yeah. And now the wind started. Anyway, I'm going to go inside. I'm going to search for MediaMarkt. I'm going to buy the new phone. Whoa, that's windy. And I'm going to show you what I picked up. Yeah. And problem solved. Yeah. I just picked up the Note 10. I'm going to show you at home. Whoa, that's windy in here. Yeah. Oh yeah, check this out. Brand new Note 10 Plus. Yeah, oh, Note 10 Plus. I've took it in white. Normally I wanted to buy this rainbow color. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, let's go home and I'm gonna show you at home what I bought. And after that we are going to start the new project, yeah, with the Audi A4. I received the email that I've received the package with the high pressure pump, and I'm pretty sure that this will fix the problem that we have with the current project car, yeah, with the Audi A4. So I'm gonna see you home. And back home, the E90 is in there in the front yard, and this is the new phone, yeah. I've bought it in white. I do wanted to buy the rainbow color, yeah, but there wasn't any in stock, so I picked up a white one. Yeah, I still have this plastic cover in here, and it's really nice, yeah. And from now on we are going to register with this phone. Let's hope this is going to be better than the other one. Oh yeah, and I've already moved everything from my old phone to this one, and I traded the N9, yeah, for this one, and I've paid the difference, yeah. So everything is done, and let me show you something. We received the pump, yeah, in here for the project car. So join me on the next episode to see if the car will start with this one or not. So if you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.